Paul with rcFoamFighters. Thanks for joining me for this real quick video update. Basically, this update we're going to cover the January 2010 drawing giveaway, the Foam Fighter F117, and also a new project I have, and a couple other little details we got going on. So let's get into this video and see what we got. Okay guys, up first we're going to cover the January 2010 drawing giveaway. And this month we're going to do something a little different to kick off the new year. We're going to be giving away 2 prizes, and we're going to have 2 lucky winners. Each person will win one of these motors. This is the 2150 kV in-runner motor. They got a built-in impeller to help keep the motor cool. This is one of the motors that Frank used in the Fun Jet. I believe on 4 cells he got his Fun Jet to go about 116 miles an hour. So I think he burned it up on 5 cells, so if you do win this motor, don't run it on a 5 cell, keep it to a 4 cell. But basically that'll be the prize for January 2010. Look for the drawing at the end of this month, and if you'd like to enter the drawing, all you have to do is be a subscriber and send us an email to admin@rcFoamFighters.com with the subject line January 2010 drawing giveaway. There'll be more information posted in the sidebar with a link to our blog with information about the drawing giveaway. So we hope all you guys decide to enter the drawing, and good luck to you all. Okay guys, this is just a quick update on the Foam Fighter 117. Basically I have the model pretty much completely done. All I got to do is throw the prop on here and get out and do the maiden flights. Unfortunately it's been super cold here the last couple weeks. Been getting down to about 0 degrees with the wind chill. So that's a little too cold for me, being used to California weather originally and moving out here to Missouri. So as soon as the weather gets good, we'll be taking the FF 117 back out and hopefully doing some maiden flights. And once I verify the CG and all the flight characteristics and all the modification I want to do to the model, then I'll complete the plans and get them available to you guys for free. So we're just waiting for better weather. Hopefully this weekend is supposed to actually finally warm up after about 2.5 weeks of super cold weather. So look forward to that coming in a week or so, hopefully. That's the plan for the Foam Fighter 117. Okay guys, also coming up probably in a month or so, or next few weeks or something like that, I'm going to be testing this new radio I got. I got the Airtronics RDS 8000. This is a 2.4 gigahertz 8-channel radio. The main reason I got it because it is an 8-channel radio. My DX6 is only 6 channels. So I wanted to give this radio a try because it's a really good price. I actually picked it up from Hobby People. It was on sale for $149. Came with the radio and one 8-channel receiver. And I bought a secondary 7-channel receiver that right now I just got put into the Foam Fighter 117. We're going to test it out in that first, and then probably move it into another plane since it is 7 channels. It would be kind of a waste in this little 3-channel plane. So, but look for that coming up in the coming weeks. I'll be testing out this radio, see how viable it is. So far I'm pretty impressed with it. Everything looks really good quality. The receivers, I think, in my opinion, look better quality than the Spectrum receivers. The antennas are a lot better built. They got the outside shielding wire, and they feel a lot stronger. So it'll be up to test when I do the flight test in the air, and we'll do a full evaluation of the radio later in the coming weeks. So look for that coming up in the future. Oh, just one more thing about this radio too. I'm probably going to be putting this in the Jupiter. Since it does have 8 channels, I have extra channels for more bomb bays and other features I want to add to the plane. So look for that coming in the future also. I'll be swapping out the Spectrum DX6 radio out of the Jupiter and putting a 8-channel receiver from this radio into it. So that'll be coming up in the coming weeks also. Once the weather gets good, we'll be back out at Herman Airport doing some testing. Okay guys, last one of the things I want to show you. This is another plane I'm working on. Since the weather's been so bad and cold here, I decided to start doing some other builds. This one's going to be a camera plane. It's an idea I've had for quite a while. It's got kind of a large wingspan, kind of inspired by the Predator type planes. But I decided to make it a dual boom plane. The motor's going to end up going back here. And I'm going to take my Contour HD 1080p camera, and it'll be mounted in the nose of the full-size model. So, so far things are coming out pretty good. I did a couple glide tests. I'll show you here in a moment. Looks like it glides really well. So hopefully the full-size model will share some of the same characteristics, and hopefully it'll turn out to be a good camera plane. It's going to have the dual tail fins. I can put rudders on it. It's going to have a single elevator, basically, that mounts, or it's going to be right here in the back between the 2 tail fins. It's going to be fairly large, so it'll be basically kind of like vectored thrust. I'm going to have the ailerons basically out here on the sides of the wings. Basically these parts that pop out, that's going to be the ailerons on that full-size plane. So that's pretty much it. It's got the kind of flow through box section to make it a little more rigid. And like I said, I kind of modeled the cockpit after Predator style, kind of rounded. We'll see how it goes when I build a full-size model. I'll try and shape it a little better and see how it all goes. So let's get into the glide test of this little mock-up I have here, and you guys can see how it glides. It glides really good. Okay guys, got the new little camera plane, a little mock-up. I'm going to do a glide test to see how it flies. There you go. Okay, here's another glide test. Okay guys, well that's pretty much the updates on what I've been doing in the last few weeks. Like I said, the weather's been so bad that we haven't been able to get out and go flying as much as we'd like to. But I look forward to seeing some more flights coming up. I think the weather's finally getting ready to change. It's supposed to be in the 40-degree range this coming weekend, so it's not totally warm, but a lot warmer than it has been. So hopefully it'll be calm enough to get out there and test this Foam Fighter 117. Also guys, if you haven't checked out, please check out our teammates. They've been putting out some pretty cool videos. Our friend Ken, or Wild Hover, he's got a pretty cool video of a modified Foam Fighter 23 that he did vector thrust, where the elevator split, where it actually does some really cool 3D maneuvers. And our other teammate, Jacques 1100, he's been doing some cool videos of his custom planes, his FF, or what is it, 1101 I believe it is. He did some test flights of that, and he also has a new video out showing his burnt up motor from the single barrel plane he made. So if you haven't seen those, please check those out. And also, we do have one more new teammate. It's Jake. He's basically going to be our Colorado connection. And it's kind of cool to have Jake. He's actually a school teacher also, and he's going to be teaching the students how to make RC planes in an after-school kind of program. So we look forward to seeing some of that stuff from Jake coming up. I'll put a link to his YouTube account also in the sidebar, so check him out, and some of our other teammates too if you have a chance. Anyway, thanks a lot guys for this update. Good luck to you all in the drawing giveaway for January 2010. And I'll see you hopefully in a little bit with doing some flight videos. Oh, hey guys, just one more note about our teammates. I almost forgot to mention our friend Tim down in Herman, Missouri. He's working on the Predator RC aircraft. If you haven't seen his video, he's got one posted on his channel at RCFF Bloody Micks. It's a pretty cool airplane. I'm going to be working with Tim in the coming weeks to develop some plans for you guys to hopefully download in the coming weeks. So keep an eye out for that coming in the future. And if you haven't seen his video, check out the link in the sidebar. I'll have a link to his video of the Predator aircraft. Anyway, everybody have a good week. See you guys soon.